Today we are going to make YouTube. So today we are going to make an ATV. Yeah. And look, this is our ATV. This is it. See, but we are missing something. We are missing a wheel. And this is where the bikes go. And this is where the big people drink.
Record me cutting the box open. Turn the camera the other way. Yeah.
Yeah.
He told me he wants to be a YouTuber.
Milan?
Guys, today we are going to watch
And what you want the people to do?
subscribe.
Yep. Good job.
Yeah, now we got the wheels. Let's get these out of the box.
Up. Are you excited? How excited? Tell the people to do what? Good job.
That one.
There's the motor. I'm not sure what this is. Here, put that on the couch. We got some instructions. We got, I think that's the axle.
Wow. Milan is about to have an ATV, guys.
Look at his body. Yeah, this body is cringe.
What do you know about body? You smart, baby.
Follow me, Mom.
All right. We're about to assemble it and be right back. Got it all built. Battery's fully charged. You love it?
Ryder.
Hold on, let's put it downstairs.
Like, nothing. It can be.
Oh my goodness.
Like, comment, and subscribe.